Don't miss me!
I love sleepovers.
Me too, Rosie. It's always fun when we stay the night with you and Raggles.
Yes, because then I get to do this!
Milk time! Got it!
Phew! Pillow fights a thirsty walk.
Thirsty! The plants! We almost forgot they'll be thirsty too. Come on, let's give them a drink. Get ready, Raggles.
Look, it's a snake. I'm not scared of snakes.
Me neither.
Okay, Raggles.
Naughty snake.
Night-night.
Night, Rosie.
Pardon you, Raggles.
It wasn't me.
Well, if it wasn't Raggles...
Where did it come from?
Oh, that noise is funny. I wonder what's making it.
Noise? Can't say I noticed.
Maybe Rosie will know where the noise is coming from.
What was that?
There's somebody at the door.
Come on, Rosie. Let's go and see who it is.
Who is it?
It's only us.
Hello, Bluebird. Big Bear, did you hear the noise too?
Oh, yes. Funny, isn't it?
Well, I couldn't hear anything. That noise!
I wonder what's making it.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Whoa! What's that?
Oh, maybe the thunderstorm went underground.
I don't think storms can do that, Big Bear. But the ground is gurgling. Let's go and explore.
I don't think we should. It's very dark.
It isn't now.
Last one to the playground is a rumbly monster. Monster? Where?
Wait for me!
Wait for me.
I might do that. It's the little acorns making the noise. Oh,
The acorns aren't loud enough to be the noise.
they don't make the ground shake either.
And how is Oakley managing to sleep through it?
What? Where? Who? Oh, hello. What are you all doing on my hill? It's the middle of the night.
A loud noise is keeping us all awake and we don't know where it's coming from.
We thought it was a thunderstorm.
Or a monster. Haven't you heard it?
No? Describe it to me.
It goes something like this. Burble, 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 burble.
No, it's more like this. Gurgly, gurgly.
And this.
Wow, Holly!
Oh.
Not Holly, Oakley.
Oh, I beg my pardon. I'm terribly sorry.
Stop it! Stop that horrible noise right now!
I'm sorry, Bluebird, but I don't know how.
It sounds just like my tummy when I'm hungry.
That's it. Oakley's roots must be rumbling. Are you hungry or thirsty, Oakley?
Well, it hasn't rained for a few days, so my old roots could be thirsty.
Come on, everyone. Let's get some water for Oakley and give him a nice big drink.
Whoops. Sorry, Bluebird.
That's enough, Big Bear. My turn now.
Thank you, everyone. I feel much better now, and there shouldn't be any more strange noises keeping you awake. Speaking of which, isn't it way past your bedtime?
Yes. We'd better go. Night-night, Oakley.
Good night, everyone.
Rosie,
Yes?
I'm glad I don't have roots that gurgle. It's noisy enough in my tummy.
Mm-hmm.
But if I did have roots, I think they'd prefer a banana sandwich.
Night-night, Raggles. Oh, no.
Turbo blasters to max power!
I'm still going faster than you, Will!
Go, Speeder! Go, go, go! Come on, Rosie! Whoa! Bluebird! Can't stop! Busy, busy, busy!
Yes! I win!
Yay! Me! I'm the champ!
Raggles, who won?
I'm not sure.
You were supposed to be watching.
I was. Just not the bit at the end. Well, it doesn't matter anyway, 'cause I won!
I won!
Rosie, you know you said it'd be fun to make cookies. I hope you're better at making cookies than you are at racing, or someone's going to have a tummy ache!
But I won!
Chocolate chips, please. Rosie?
I can't believe you didn't see me win that race.
Sorry, Rosie. Bluebird sort of got in the way. Rosie?
What? My button!
Where's it gone?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, the good news is it's not in the cookie mix.
It must have fallen off in the race. I've got to find it. OK, Raggles. This is where we started the race.
Let's look for the button. Excuse me, Rosie. Just doing a victory lap. Oh, a package. It must be someone's birthday.
Never mind that, Raggles. The sooner I find my button, the sooner I can beat Will. Again. Let's try at Big Bear's house. I was near there this morning.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, Raggles. You found a package too.
Look! That's great. But I've lost my button.
My alarm clock's disappeared.
So's my teddy.
Someone must have taken them, Raggles.
This calls for serious investigation. So, your alarm clock went missing. What time was this?
I'm not sure. I didn't have my clock.
Oh, I wish I'd brought the cookies. It's hungry work, this investigating.
Look out!
Stop! Stop! This is a serious investigation.
Let me try. Donut!
I like donuts! I like donuts!
Good work, Rosie. Now, what were you acorns doing this morning? I see. And why were you bouncing?
Because that's what we do!
What we need is the help of someone wise and clever.
That's me.
Well...
Ready to come second again, Rosie?
No, I'm not ready to beat you just yet, Will. I need to borrow your football first.
Well, okay. But look after it. It's my best one.
It'll be safe. I promise.
I'm off to see Oakley.
Here's the bait. Now we just wait. Whoever's taking our things will try to take Will's ball as well. All we do is wait and we'll catch them.
Oh, hello.
We thought you might be hungry.
So we brought your cookies.
Thanks.
So, who are we hiding from?
We're going to catch whoever's taking the things. We're using Will's ball to attract them.
What ball?
It's gone!
Oh, Will's best ball. Rosie, you promised it'd be safe.
I know. We'd better find him. I'm sure he'll understand.
Gone? But that was my favourite ball.
Oh, I just can't get comfortable today.
Sorry, Will. We were just trying to get our special things back.
Maybe we should open these now.
Maybe there'll be notes inside.
Or feathers?
So, if we find out who owns the feathers, we'll find out who took our things.
Oh, is that me?
Oh, that sounds like my alarm clock.
It's coming from...
Oh, that's better.
My button! Bluebird?
I just found it on the path.
My teddy!
My ball!
Bluebird! Why did you take all these things that weren't yours?
I see everyone with their special things. I wanted something special too. So I thought I'd do a swap.
But you know you can't do that without asking, Bluebird.
I know. And it turned out that the only things that were really special for me were my feathers. And I gave them all up, even my spare. Oh, I really miss them now.
Everyone misses their special things. That's why they're special.
Teddy can visit you whenever you like, Bluebird.
And you can borrow my alarm clock.
And maybe my ball. But ask first next time, okay?
So sorry for all the trouble I've caused. I wish I could make it up to you.
You can. Race, you will.
Rocket boosters ready to race! Coming through!
Well, it was a very close result. But the winner is Rosie!
Yay! Thanks for the race, Will. Best one we've had for ages.
It's all right. Last one you'll win, though.
Brilliant! Yes, aren't they? Wow, the moon is so big, Rosie.
Oh, I wonder what it's like up there.
I've heard the moon's made of cheese. It would be really tasty if it's true.
I don't think so, Raggles.
Oh, I'd love to visit the moon. I could eat it, moonwalk, meet some moonmen, and space hop too. I'm going to go there.
But how?
I'm not sure yet, but I'll find a way. I'll visit the moon tomorrow evening.
But Raggles, I don't think it's quite that easy.
Blast off! Moon dust! Yummy cheese.
Raggles, where are you? Oh my goodness! Raggles really is going to try to go to the moon.
Are you sure this will work, Raggles? The moon is an awfully long way away.
I think so. I can jump really high, and I've got all day to practice until the moon comes out again.
Raggles, there you are.
You're just in time, Rosie. Raggles is going to bounce to the moon.
Really?
Yes, and I've got lots of space training to do before the proper launch later, so I need to get on with it. Ready, everyone? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Oh, no. I can't jump high enough.
Flap your wings. That'll make you go higher.
Oh, I haven't got any wings.
Flap your arms instead.
Go on, Raggles!
That's it. Flap a little harder.
Jump, Raggles!
Higher, higher. Now fly.
Hello? Are you a moon man? Have I reached the moon? Am I there?
Not quite, Raggles.
Oh, never mind. I will get to the moon somehow. One big step for Raggles. One great big leap on the moon.
Perfect, Raggles. You look just like a proper astronaut.
Great! Just need to eat some more cheese for my moon training. But how am I going to get there? What's that?
What are you doing, Raggles? You look funny.
It's my spacesuit. I'm going to the moon. Just as soon as I find out how to get there.
What you need is a rocket.
A rocket?
Yep, and I can make one for you.
Brilliant! Well, what are we waiting for?
You'll need to be quick if you're going to launch it tonight. The moon will be out soon.
This spot is nice and high and closest to the moon. Perfect for launch.
Are you ready, Raggles? Done your training? Got everything you need?
Yes, yes, and yes.
Good luck, Raggles. Reach for the moon!
Yeah!
Go on, Raggles!
Good luck! Thanks, everyone. I'll bring you all a piece of moon cheese.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
It's gone. Oh. Stop that rocket! Raggles, are you okay?
You were right, Rosie. I'll never be able to visit the moon.
Oh, Raggles.
If only the real moon was as close as that reflection in the stream.
If Raggles can't get to the moon, maybe the moon can come to Raggles.
Raggles!
Raggles, hurry up!
It's time!
Huh? Time for what?
Come on, Raggles, hurry. The rocket is ready to launch and I'm coming with you. I know you were really upset when you didn't get to visit the moon, Raggles. So, we brought the moon to you instead. I hope you like it.
I love it! And a proper moon feast, too! Yummy!